Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to search for a specific message on Instagram updated guide. For us to be able to begin, open Instagram onto your device. So right after, make sure that you have the latest version of it. Just open your app store and make sure that dated option is not showing in there. So if you're seeing updated in there, simply click onto that so that you could have your app onto its updated version. Right after, click onto the messages in here. So just simply click onto the profile of the person wherein you want to search your conversation. So if you're looking for a specific message a long time ago, so you should be able to see that here. So here is the shortcut to see that. Click onto the profile name in here and then click onto the search in here. So just type in the keyword of the specific message you want to see, like for example, awesome. So click on search and you should be able to see all of the keywords in there. It will filter all of the message that you have in here that has the same keyword. So simply click onto that, be able to see also in here the date one was sent. Simply click onto the message and you'll get redirected onto that message, onto that specific message on Instagram. And that is how easy to search for a specific message. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.